Hey to all, I had a problem with the laptop adapter. The wiring at the input was cut off. I have not seen such adapters in stores, since it has unique parameters 12B to 2A. I have come across adapters with switching, but this option does not suit me, as they break quickly. Let's repair this adapter by ourselves. First of all, we need to disassemble this adapter, but there are no screws in it. We put the adapter on a wooden surface, take a blunt knife, a hammer, and split the case. I have already split the case. We see a plastic holder that needs to be removed. Next, strip the wires from both ends and solder the wires. First, put the holder on the wire. Next, we need thin pliers or tweezers to hold the wires while sealing. Now the holder can be removed. I cleaned the wires with a knife, exposed them. I inserted the holder back. Now we expose the wires on the other side and we will solder. For proper and reliable soldering, I need phosphoric acid. This is an acid that solders dark and non-ferrous metals when soldering with tin. You can also use rosin, but phosphoric acid is more reliable. We wet the bare ends from all sides and then solder with tin. We first solder with tin 1-2 ends, bare wiring. The wiring should be folded into one bundle. You also need to solder the two ends of the other side of the bare wires, and now we join the wires. The wires are already soldered. We wait 5 minutes until the seal cools down. Next, take a piece of electrical tape and isolate the solder joints. Now we insert the plug into our connector and connect the adapter case to each other. The case is connected. Everything worked out well for me. Now we check the operation of the adapter. We connect the adapter plug to the laptop connector, turn it on. The indicator lights up, which means the adapter is working. No need to spend money on buying a new adapter or expensive repairs in the workshop. The adapter can be repaired by